Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat shri akal, good evening, good afternoon, and good morning. Welcome back to Cooking in Sarah's Kitchen. Today, I am going to show you guys किस तरह से मैं आसानी से सारे vegetables और protein डाल के अपनी एक बहुत ही yummy सी dish बनाऊंगी. So I'm going to be using a lot of vegetables, garlic, and protein में I'm using eggs, and also I have some keema. Chicken mince, so I'm going to use that and a lot of vegetables. So first I'm going to put some garlic. The pan is already hot, so here goes the garlic. No fighting, guys. Kitty, my cats. So I'm going to be using vegetables. Let's put all the vegetables. ठीक है, जो भी vegetables आपके पास पड़ी हैं, you can use all of that. I'm going to peel the carrots. I have the cabbage. It's purple, but I like it. I love cabbage. So I'm going to just put this like that. Okay, here goes the cabbage. Da da da. And now I have the green squash. I also have potato. I have the eggplant, and I have the carrot. So I'm going to just cut them roughly, and I'm going to put it here. सारी चीजें roughly आप डाल दें. Here goes the potatoes. And now the कद्दू बोलते हैं इसको हमारे पास, तो कद्दू जा रहा है अभी. ठीक है. By the way, these all vegetables are my favorite. Ta-da! I'm gonna peel this and I'm gonna come back. Alright, here goes the carrots. Going straight inside the hot pan. I love that sizzling sound. So, now the tomato, I'm going to put one tomato. Now let's prepare our spices. For the spices, I am going to put salt, this is Himalayan salt. You can put how much you want. I am going to put the crushed red peppers. Oh, I love it. And then I also like crushed black pepper. Okay, looks good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a space. Or you know what, I'm going to add the eggs in a bit. I'm going to let the vegetables settle down. I'm going to put a little bit of water. Wow, it's spicy. I'm going to put some hot water. And I'm going to let this cook for some time. And then I'm going to add my protein to my food. I forgot to add, I have some radish. I'm going to throw it in there. I'm going to throw 3 of those. I have white onion. ये भी डाल दूँगी. और मेरे पास रेड अनियन है, वो भी मैं डाल दूँगी. smells so good. So this is how it looks. The red pepper is so spicy. Let's open and see. Wow. They all are sizzling. Almost. Let's crack our eggs in it. Let's put in our protein. Yum, yum, yum. Last one. Okay, and it smells so good. I'm gonna cover it and we're gonna let it cook for more 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna come back. Mashallah guys, this is what we have created today. This is called the art. अच्छा जी, थोड़ा सा मैं ट्राई करके देखती हूँ. You see? Eggplant. अभी ये पक रहा है, अभी हुआ नहीं है. पहला नहीं वाला आपके लिए. बिस्मिल्लाह. So good. This is so good. Yummy. Okay, I'm going to put this on a low just for it to, settle down everything, and then we're gonna sit. Everything is cooked. Let me show you guys. Everything is cooked here. सारी चीज़ें cook हो चुकी है. आलू भी पके हैं, सारा कुछ. The radish भी हो चुका है, eggs भी हो चुके हैं, और हमारा कद्दू भी हो चुका है. And let's see the carrots. The carrots are also cooked. Very good. मैं इसको प्लेट करती हूँ और फिर हम लोग दोनों मिलकर साथ में खाएंगे. Let's plate this together. These are the potatoes. This is my protein, eggs. I want some cabbage. Some carrots, yes. Let's get some garlic, zucchini, I think I'm good. Let's get some radish. Okay guys, let's go eat. अच्छा जी, ये सब हमने बनाया है, और ये मेरे थोड़े से jalapenos लेकर आई थी. I love them in the food. They are so yummy and tasty. So we're gonna eat this with our food. Okay. So first bite. Sorry, second bite. Let's take our kadduji and garlic. And that's my Tyson. Hi, Ty. And I am going to take this first bite. No, first you're going to take this bite. This is for you. Bismillah. Bismillah. Thank you, Alamia, for such a great food. अच्छा जी, अगर अब तक आपने मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है और मेरे को फॉलो नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ डू दैट, डू सब्सक्राइब मी, फॉलो मी ऑन कुकिंग इन सारास किचन। और इसी तरह यमी और टेस्टी वीडियोस की तरह मैं फिर से हाजिर होंगी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग मी एंड लाइकिंग मी एंड अप्रिशिएटिंग माई वर्क। आई लव यू ऑल सो मच। और अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ डू दैट, डू लीव मी अ कमेंट, थम्स अप। एंड अगर आपको ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगी है तो प्लीज़ इसको ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए। लव यू ऑल सो मच, बाय, टेक केयर। नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ हम फिर से मिलेंगे।